Ferdinand Magellan was born in Portugal around 1480. After his parents died when he was 10 years old, he went to work in the Portuguese royal court as a servant. When he was 25, he enlisted in the military and had his first taste of sailing. He fought in battles to defend Portugal and was wounded, which left him with a limp for the rest of his life. Ending his time as a soldier, he decided to move to Spain to look for new opportunities. But he also found a wife. Magellan and his wife had 2 children, but both died at a young age, and later his wife died as well. Magellan began studying maps and sailing charts in hopes he could find a westward way to get from the Atlantic Ocean to the Indies to make trade with the Spice Islands easier. Magellan found funding for his trip from the future Roman Emperor Charles V. On August 10, 1519, Magellan and 5 ships with a crew of 270 men set sail from Spain. Months later, Magellan and his crew reached the South American coast and continued sailing southward. Magellan was convinced there was a passage through the tip of the continent, and he finally found it. Today, this passage is called the Strait of Magellan. His ship sailed through it and came to another ocean, which he named Mar Pacifico, or the Pacific Ocean. Magellan continued to sail west and arrived at the Philippines. He became friendly with the local rulers and convinced them to convert to Christianity. He attempted this with another ruler named Lapu-Lapu, who rejected Magellan and his religion and started a battle. Magellan was killed. By this time, after battles, riots among the crew, injury, and sickness, only enough crew members remained to sail 2 ships. Led by one of Magellan's ship captains, Juan Sebastian Elcano, the ships continued on and eventually returned to Spain. By this time, only 1 ship remained with 18 crew members aboard. 252 sailors had died during the trip, but these men were the first to sail around the entire Earth. The journey that was started by Magellan was finished by Elcano. The trip took 3 years and 12 days. Though Ferdinand Magellan faced many dangers and hardships and eventually death, he is remembered for his involvement in the first circumnavigation of the globe.